Facing a healthcare crisis is difficult for everyone. But can you imagine facing it without financial resources? For thousands of Middle Tennesseans, that fear is a reality.
The Maury Regional Healthcare Foundation touches many people at critical times in their lives, often during a healthcare crisis. The purpose of the programs and services funded by the foundation is to assist individuals with their unmet healthcare needs.
Can you imagine having cancer treatments every day for weeks and not being able to afford transportation?
Maury Regional's Cancer Center serves patients throughout an 8-county region, many of whom drive a great distance on a daily basis to receive their treatments. The foundation partners with the American Cancer Society to provide gas cards to patients who otherwise may not make their appointments due to financial hardship.
Can you imagine not knowing what your blood pressure is and having nowhere to have it checked?
The Foundation's community health program reaches an underserved population through the outreach efforts of a community health care nurse, from checking blood pressures to providing basic health care screens. The community health nurse provides a much-needed service to a high at-risk population.
Can you imagine having diabetes and not knowing how to manage the disease?
The Foundation provides educational equipment for the diabetes education programs through Maury Regional Medical Center. In addition, the Foundation supports nutritional education for youth.
Can you imagine not being able to afford any of your medications?
We see so many patients who can't afford their medications. The Foundation provides assistance through the Dispensary of Hope's Continued Access Program. Qualified individuals can receive their medications mailed directly to their homes with no charge to the patient.
Can you imagine having a child in the neonatal intensive care unit?
Babies in the neonatal intensive care unit usually stay for more than a week, and their families often struggle to pay for their basic needs. Through the Foundation, we provide a food pantry to serve parents who cannot afford to purchase their meals while caring for their newborns.
Can you imagine not being able to afford a $4 generic prescription?
Through the Special Needs Fund, the Foundation provides temporary medication assistance, minor medical equipment, and scales for heart failure patients.
Can you imagine recovering from heart surgery and having no one to take you home?
The Foundation also provides transportation assistance for patients in need at Maury Regional and its affiliate facilities.
Can you imagine having cancer treatments twice a day and having nowhere to rest between treatments?
Many of our patients are tired and have nowhere to rest between treatments. Thanks to the Foundation, we offer The Retreat, a hospitality house where cancer patients can rest and where family members of critical care patients can spend the night while staying close to their loved ones.
Can you imagine having cancer, losing your hair, and not being able to afford a wig?
The Maury Regional Healthcare Foundation serves women throughout this region by providing free mammograms to those who cannot afford this very important screening, and by providing free wigs and camisoles to women in need who have been diagnosed with cancer.
Fortunately, most of us will not experience a health crisis and lack the financial resources to get appropriate care. Unfortunately, many of the patients we serve every day do experience that feeling of despair. Through the Foundation's programs and services, their needs are being met. With your support, we can continue our efforts and look to the future to meet the growing health care needs of individuals in our region.
Maury Regional Healthcare Foundation. Caring, giving, serving.